Drip, drip, drip. The sound of a leaky faucet or pipe can be the prelude to a homeowner's nightmare. But before you dial up the plumber and brace for a hefty bill, consider this. There are DIY plumbing hacks that can turn you into the hero of your own home. Let's dive into the essentials every homeowner should know. Imagine a leak springs up. Your first move isn't to grab a wrench, but to know where your shutoff valves are. These guardians of your water flow can be found under sinks or hidden in walls, ready to halt a crisis in its tracks. By familiarizing yourself with their locations, you can quickly prevent a small leak from becoming a flood, and even boost your water pressure with some routine maintenance. After you've played the role of plumber, securing your handiwork is crucial. Enter the unsung hero, tape. Wrapping Teflon or plumber's tape around pipe joints can reinforce them, warding off future leaks. This water-resistant ally isn't just a quick fix, it's a shield against the elements. Though remember, it's not immortal. Over time, you'll need to reapply to maintain that fortress-like seal. Now, what about those old parts you've replaced? Don't be too quick to toss them out. These veterans of your plumbing system can serve again in a pinch. While they're not a long-term solution, they can be a lifesaver when you need a quick fix. It's the epitome of smart, sustainable DIY. As winter looms, insulation becomes your piping's best friend. But instead of buying, why not DIY? With some foam tubing and a bit of ingenuity, you can craft custom insulation that keeps your pipes snug and safe from the cold. Add a spritz of non-corrosive coating, and you've got a homemade armor against the elements. While some plumbing puzzles do require a professional touch, these DIY hacks